In a world full of danger, it has become clear that the things that we put into our bodies can be just as risky as anything we encounter outside them. While science has long established the genuine dangers of cigarette smoking, an increasing number of voices sound the alarm about another potential mass murderer: sugar. Is sugar capable of causing life-threatening conditions such as cancer? Can sugar significantly lower our life expectancy? Is sugar consumption a factor in the obesity pandemic currently wreaking havoc in the United States? Let's find out together. Millions still enjoy cigarettes, so why not sugar? We'll start by looking at cigarette smoking. Just a few decades ago, the world was blissfully unaware of the health risks these little sticks of tobacco posed to their health and well-being. Smoking caused feelings of relaxation and energy and was often recommended by doctors to their patients, believe it or not. The nicotine in tobacco products produces a rush of dopamine in the smoker's brain, and the constant craving for this euphoria makes the habit so addictive. In recent times, however, we've learned that grave, long-term ramifications come with picking up this habit. Smoking has been conclusively linked with severe health conditions such as lung cancer, bronchitis, emphysema, heart disease, throat cancer, pregnancy complications, weakening of the immune system, and long-term genetic damage. Even so, millions worldwide enjoy the habit, whether they are aware of the risks or not. Are you enjoying the video so far? Be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss out when we upload the next video. How much sugar do we actually consume? Now, what about sugar? If the average American were asked to get rid of everything in their kitchens with added sugar, most pantries would be left empty. This is because sugar is added to nearly everything we eat nowadays. While we all know the obvious sugar culprits in our lives, such as soda, cake, candy, and so on, many of us remain blissfully unaware that our bread, yogurt, ketchup, baked beans, smoothies, and more are packed with added sugars. Natural sugars such as fructose and lactose in fruits and dairy products are very different from the added sugars such as high fructose corn syrup, honey, and agave that are ubiquitous in our foods. Added sugars are metabolized differently than natural sugars. While natural sugars are accompanied by proteins and fiber that allow them to be slowly released, added sugars are dumped suddenly into our bloodstreams. Because our bodies are not designed to handle these glucose spikes, our bodies end up storing the excess sugar in our bodies as fat. This, in short, is a set of circumstances that has led to skyrocketing cases of obesity. How addictive is sugar? According to the NIH, almost 70% of Americans are overweight, placing them at a higher risk of diabetes, heart disease, kidney failure, high blood pressure, and other disorders. A recent study by the University of Florida showed that sugar addiction and cravings could be just as strong as addictions to nicotine or cocaine. The same parts of the brain that light up and are stimulated by the thought of or consumption of drugs by addicts will light up when people with obesity see pictures of their favorite junk foods. So is sugar more dangerous than cigarettes? The correlation is clear. Sugar may not only be as dangerous as smoking, but also just as addictive. In this comparison, sugar is potentially more dangerous because many people are unaware of the dangers of excessive sugar consumption and poor dietary health. It's not all doom and gloom, however. As we came to understand the dangers of cigarettes, smoking rates sharply declined as people quit and fewer people picked up the habit every day. Perhaps with enough awareness and education about the harmful effects of sugar consumption and poor diets in general, more people will make more intelligent choices and live longer, healthier lives. Let's hope for the best. What do you think about the impact of sugar consumption and poor dietary health on our population's life expectancy? Do you believe that sugar has truly outstripped smoking as a health risk? We'd love to hear your thoughts, so let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. See you next time.